Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona. I'm a born and raised Tucsonan, and I've been here for over 40 years, and I work all over the city and surrounding areas. Whether you're buying or selling a home here in Tucson or the outlying suburbs, I would love to assist. I specialize in relocation as an expert resident of my hometown. I work with buyers moving here from all over the US and other countries, and I work with all types of buyers and backgrounds, including families, active and retired military, University of Arizona affiliates, Raytheon employees, and those moving to Tucson to retire. I also help sellers sell their properties when they are ready for a change or want to downsize. I provide high quality photography, including drone photography, plus videography and virtual tours to get your home sold using the extensive exposure given by top-notch digital marketing. I know that high-level communication is extremely important. I will be with you every step of the way on your real estate journey, whether you are buying your dream forever home or transitioning away from your current one. Reach out to me when you are ready to buy or sell a home here in Tucson, Arizona. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel, and there are hundreds of other videos on this channel about Tucson and real estate in general, so explore those to get to know my city a little better. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and working with you in the near future, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.